A for apple, A for apple, A for ant, A for ant, A for anchor, A for anchor, A for apron, A for apron, A for axe, A for axe, A for airplane, A for airplane, A for arrow, A for arrow, A for aquarium, A for aquarium, A for armchair, A for armchair, A for almond, A for almond. An apple is a crunchy fruit that can be red, green, or yellow. An ant is a tiny insect that works together with its friends. An anchor keeps the big boat from floating away. An apron is something you wear to keep clothes clean while cooking. An axe is used to chop wood for campfire. An airport flies high in the sky, taking people far away. An arrow shows us which way to go on the map. An almond is a crunchy nut that's good to snack on. An aquarium is a big glass tank where fish swim. An armchair is a comfy seat with a place to rest your arms.